There's a backstory behind every tool which is getting built, and that pain point of the user is being judged, empathized, and translated by a product manager. So rather than just focusing on delivering products, why not get into the shoes of the end users and solve their day-to-day problems? That's what interested me in pivoting towards product management. So I'm Ashwarya. I work as a consultant apprentice leader at New Sigma. New Sigma gives you a lot of opportunities to work at various aspects of the projects. I started as a project manager for a very big CPG clientele, where my day-to-day work was to interact with the product manager, understand the requirement of the tool we are trying to build to solve user problems. That's where I understood that there's a backstory behind every tool which is getting built, and that pain point of the user is being judged, empathized, and translated by a product manager. So rather than just focusing on delivering products, why not get into the shoes of the end users and solve their day-to-day problems? That's what interested me in pivoting towards product management. I feel people transitioning from service to product roles generally bank upon just learning new things. They just read about few frameworks. They don't understand where to imply it, how to implement it in their work structure. So what the IPL provisions you is not learning itself alone, but learning and doing in the sense like they'll provide you variety of case studies to implement the knowledge you have grasped till now, and get proper mentorship from industry experts whether you are heading towards the right thought process direction or not. So and even the one-on-one career mentoring programs which IPL provides from industry experts gives you a lot of clarity of thoughts per se. So that's what I feel are the most driving factors for me in choosing IPL as a program to partner with and learn from. We have our weekend sessions. Those are not only one-sided learning sessions where your mentor will come and continuously teach you for 2 hours straight away. We'll have small breakout sessions also where we will be given a small problem to solve upon in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So that is where we group in smaller cohorts, understand each other. In fact, we even have a healthy fight or discussion among each other to prove our point of view. And then when it gets validated by the mentor, that is when it gives a lot of confidence to us also. Yes, that's where we are heading right. I would say don't go by the book of work. When you practice in actual environment, that's where you learn. That's where you clarify your thoughts also. So that's what is the hard part I have learned across. Rather than just going through YouTube channels, study tutorials and mugging up things and not implementing it to see the impact of it, that is where people lack a lot. And IPL is giving us the platform to implement and learn and see where we can head to.